Hello everyone, welcome to Swahili Kingdom, and in this video you are going to learn about the Pakumu noun class or the locational noun class and its prefixes used by adjectives, possessives, demonstratives, and all the others, the 5 others. So what is a Pakumu? Initially known as the Pokomo. So the Pakumu shows the location. So the Pakumu shows the location where pa shows a specific location, ku shows a general location, and mu shows a location that is inside. And if you need to know more about the Pakumu noun class, check this video suggested here so that you can know what really is Pakumu noun class and how it goes. Okay, because here we are only talking about the prefixes used with adjectives, possessives, relative pronouns, sentences, and all that. Let's start. First of all, how do you identify a Pakumu noun class? When you see a sentence that has pa in the beginning, for example, palikuwa, you will just know that because it has pa, you need to know that it is identifying somewhere, palikuwa or paliondokea. There was or there came. So you will know when you see pa or kulikuwa, you need to know that identifies a place. When you see any sentence beginning with pa, ku, or mu, palikuwa, kulikuwa, or mulikuwa, that is how you identify a Pakumu noun class. So let's see how a Pakumu noun class behaves with adjectives using sentences so that we can see the simpler way. And another thing that you can easily identify a Pakumu is when you say mahali. A Pakumu noun class is, most of the time we will have the word mahali before a pa, a ku, or a mu. Mahali palikuwa, mahali kulikuwa, mahali mlikuwa. Okay, so that's another thing. So let's now use sentences to identify the prefixes with adjectives. Mahali palikuwa pazuri. Mahali palikuwa pazuri. A place was nice. So with pa, we use pa prefix. Mahali kulikuwa kuzuri. Mahali kulikuwa kuzuri. A place was nice. With ku, we use the ku infix. Mahali mlikuwa mzuri. Mahali mlikuwa mzuri, or mle ndani mlikuwa mzuri. Mle ndani mlikuwa mzuri. Most of the time you will see the word mahali with the pa and the ku. When we use we use somewhere inside so that you can know instantly what we are talking about. Like we will say mle ndani instead of saying mahali, we will use mle ndani. Mle chumbani, somewhere inside. With sentences, we still use Pakumu. Mahali palikuwa. Mahali palikuwa, that's already a sentence. Mahali palikuwa. Mahali palikuwa. A place was. A place was. Mahali kulikuwa. A place was. Mle ndani mlikuwa. Mle ndani mlikuwa. Mle ndani mlikuwa na nini? A place was or a place had. Mle ndani mlikuwa na nini? What was inside there? With singular plural, this noun class does not change sentences from singular plural. Like mahali doesn't have a singular or a plural. Mahali will still be mahali. And palikuwa will still be palikuwa, mlikuwa, and kulikuwa. So it doesn't change. With possessives, we still use pa, ku, and mu. Mahali pangu, mahali pangu. Mahali pako, mahali pako. Mahali kwangu, kwangu. So with ku we use kw. Mahali kwangu or mahali kwako. Ndani mwangu, ndani mwangu, inside me. Ndani mwake, ndani, or you can say ndani yangu, ndani yangu, or ndani yake. So you can use moi or ya for possessives. With O formation, use an a suffix and a prefix. Use an a suffix and the prefixes that you have just used for the possessives. Mahali pa nyanya. Mahali pa nyanya. Grandma's place. Mahali kwa babu. Mahali kwa babu. Grandpa's place. Ndani mwa mfalme. Ndani mwa mfalme, or chumbani mwa mfalme. Inside the king's room. Inside the king's room, or ndani ya mfalme. Ndani ya mfalme. You can only use ndani with ya, but the rest you need to use moi. Okay, be careful with that. With numbers. With numbers, well, Pakumu doesn't use 1, 2, 3, or 4, but it uses quantifiers. It uses quantifiers. For instance, you can say mahali pengi, mahali pengi, many places. Pa is the only one that can use quantifiers and numbers, but ku and mu doesn't use numbers. They only use quantifiers. For example, mahali pamoja. Mahali pamoja. That can mean together, a place together, or one place. Or one place. And you can also say mahali pengi. Mahali pengi. Now here we have used P and E. Mahali pengi. And then when you go to church, we'll say mahali pachache. Mahali pachache. Mahali padogo. So we have pa and pe, which are used as prefixes. And then with ku, we'll say mahali kwingi, mahali kwingi, or mahali kudogo, mahali kwingi, mahali kwingi. With mu, we'll say mwingi, but most of the time ku does not use the quantifiers nor numbers. It only uses it when it is followed by a noun. For example, ndani ya watu wengi, ndani ya watu wengi, ndani ya watu wengi. Inside many people, inside many people. With the relative pronoun. Pahali ambapo panatisha. Po is the suffix or the infix used. Pahali ambapo panatisha. A place that is scary. Pahali panapotisha. Po is the one used for the pa. Pahali ambako kunatisha, or mahali ambako kunatisha. A place that is scary, or a place which is scary. Mahali kunakotisha. Mahali kunakotisha. A place which or that is scary. And something that I need you to know before you continue. Pahali or mahali can be used with a pa or ku noun, locational noun class. Pa or ku, but mu will always use somewhere inside, which means it will use the prepositional suffix ni. Prepositional suffix ni, you can check the prepositional suffix ni here. So it will use either somewhere inside or it will use ndani. Ndani. Pa, pahali and mahali can be used by both pa and ku, but mu is different. So let's use mu. Chumbani mnamo tisha. Chumbani mnamo tisha. Inside a room that is scary. Inside a room that is scary. Chumbani ambamo mnatisha. Chumbani ambamo mnatisha. So we use mo. We use po for singular, ko. We use po for pa, ko for ku, and mo for mu, for relative pronouns. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have learned something. And this video has a PDF. If you have not yet received your PDF, and you wish to receive a free PDF so that you can go through the notes as you watch the video, sign in using the link in the description box below. And every time a video is uploaded in here, you will be getting your free PDF. Until next time, bye!